こんにちは皆さん Ms.P です Hello everyone, I'm Ms.P. Welcome back to SAT Mathematics Lesson 10. So, today we're gonna learn about how to find trigonometric ratios in right triangles. And it seems like this year's SAT math test is much harder than previous years. So, fight on! Okay, so now we have SAT Math Lesson 10, question number 1. If triangle UVW and triangle XYZ are similar, and segment XZ is equal to 5, and segment UV is equal to 8, and sine of angle UWV is equal to 4 over 5, what is UW minus YZ? So, first of all, we have to make sure we're going to put the numbers we already know. So, XZ is 5 and UV is 8 and sine angle UWV is 4 over 5. So, what is the sine? So, we should know SOHCAHTOA. We should know SOHCAHTOA. And then sine. So we only consider sine. So we have to say sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So that is sine of angle UWV is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, which is 4 over 5. And then we see these triangles are similar. So angle UWV and angle XZY are congruent, we can say. And then the all sides the ratio is the same. So that is why I'm going to take a look at this triangle. So opposite of this angle is here, opposite. And then hypotenuse is always longest side. This is the hypotenuse. And then look at this ratio. So opposite is 4, hypotenuse is 5. So this is the ratio. So we can say this side is double of this side. So obviously this side is double over this side. So that is why 2 times 5 is 10. This is 10. And now we have to find VW and YZ. So this is Pythagorean theorem. So Pythagorean theorem, CAB. So C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. Pythagorean theorem. So C is 5 and 5 squared is equal to A is 4 and 4 squared plus B squared. So 5 squared is 25 and 4 squared is 16 plus B squared. And now you're going to subtract 16 from the both sides. And this will be 9 is equal to B squared. And that is why B is equal to 3. So this is 3. And now we have to find VW. Same thing as this one. C, A, B, and C is 10, and 10 squared is equal to 8 squared plus b squared. So 10 squared is 100 is equal to 8 squared is 64 plus b squared. And then we're going to subtract 64 from both sides. And 100 minus 64 is 36. And this are cancelled out. And then b squared. And then b is equal to 6. This is 6. And now VW minus YZ is equal to 6 minus 3, which is 3. So we're done. So let's practice more. Question number 2. If triangle UVW and triangle XYZ are similar, segment YZ is equal to 3 and segment UV is equal to 12, and tangent of angle UWV is equal to 4 over 3, what is UW minus XZ? So this time we're going to consider tangent, and then we're going to say YZ is 3 and UV is 12. We're going to put all numbers we know, and tangent UWV. So what is tangent? So we should know again. So tor, but we only have to consider tor. So tor, tangent is opposite over adjacent. So tangent of angle UWV is equal to opposite over adjacent, which is 4 over 3. So now we're going to take a look at these two triangles are similar. So this UWV, angle UWV and angle XZY are congruent, and then opposite over adjacent, opposite is this one, opposite, and this is a hypotenuse, and then this is going to be adjacent. And then adjacent is 3, opposite is 4, we can say. So ratio is 4 over 3. So take a look at this 12. And 12 is 3 times as big as 4. So VW, segment VW is 3 times as large as YZ, segment YZ. So it's going to be 3 times 3, which is 9. So now we have to use Pythagorean theorem again. And this is C, this is A, and this is B, and again C and A and B. And then C is equal to A squared plus B squared. So about this triangle, C squared is equal to A is 4, 4 squared, plus B is 3, 3 squared. So which is C squared is equal to 16 plus 9. And then C is equal to 25. And then C is equal to 5. I mean C squared is equal to 25 and C is equal to 5. So this is 5. We now know XZ, and then we have to find UW, same thing. C squared is equal to A is 12, 12 squared plus B is 9, 9 squared is equal to 12 is C squared is 12, 12 squared is 144 plus 9 times 9, 9 squared is 81. So c squared is equal to 225. And then c is going to be 15. So this is 15. So now we know UW minus XZ. UW is 15 and XZ is 5, which is 10. We are done. Hello everyone. How was today's lesson? I hope today's lesson was very helpful. So see you next time in lesson 11. Good luck! Hi Nora. Nora. How come you don't talk anymore? You don't talk anymore. Can you talk? Nora. Can you talk? Nora. Nora. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. You're so cute, honey. You're so cute. You're so cute. Pink nose. Pink nose. Pink nose, honey. Pink nose. Pink nose. Pink nose. Pink nose. You're so cute. Honey, can you talk? Meow meow sama. Meow meow sama, talk. Meow meow sama.